Hey folks, we got an Audi. This is Chuck's Audi, and it is misbehaving. So we have a leak. We believe it's in this side in the airbag. We're not positive, but while we're in there, Chuck has already ordered up 2 new front axles because they were clicking and clacking, making some noise. So we're going to get into that problem. We're going to swap the axles, try and identify the leak on the Audi. This is an 05, right?
It's 04.
04. So 2004 Allroad Quattro. Pretty nice car. It's the 4.2. If you guys are having the same issues, stick around, stay tuned. We're going to show you some quick tricks to swapping out your axles. And also, we're going to get inside and show you how to lock out your air ride, so while you do this, you don't damage your systems. Stay tuned. Okay, when you enter your vehicle, you'll see that your air ride is pumping up. We're on level 1. It's trying to pump itself up, but with that little hole, it's having a hard time. Before you jack the car up, make sure you do this. You're going to grab your down and up leveler. You're going to hold it. Continue to hold it. You can now hear the pump is turned off and the light has quit blinking here. That indicates that your air ride is now locked out. You're not going to damage it while lifting the vehicle with a jack. If you don't do that, when you lift the vehicle, the airbags are going to try to continue to level the vehicle. They will pop. Make sure you lock them out. Time for a bit of welding. Let's get it done, huh? Hey, we're back at it. Still got Chuck with us today.
All right.
We're doing our best to get this Audi fixed up. For some reason, people in town keep telling us this is what we get for owning an Audi.
It's worth it.
It is worth it.
Off the road.
It's worth it when they're working. So, just to elaborate what we've done so far without you guys, we pulled the axle bolt out here. That was a pain in the butt. And we removed these 2 upper control arms here from the mount. That allows this to just swivel out of the way. See that? Once that's out of the way, you can pop the axle free here. It'll just slide back out. Reach in here and give it a push. But the main part is way up in here. You can see all these bolts around the axle. We had to pull those free. You can see the axle's shifted down. So we're going to go ahead and fish that out. I think there should be enough room to push this down and pull it out. So we're going to give it a shot. Okay, we got this axle out. You can see the bad boot, but the joint itself is actually not bad. It was that side over there that was making all the noise, but we're going to replace both because Chuck's got them both. So let's keep going. We're going to get the new one in there. Right there. But what we did is we slipped it out right here. So we just popped the head free, turned it, and kind of pulled everything out this way. So that's the way we're going to go back in, right in like that, and snap the head in. I'll put you guys on a tripod and we'll keep going.
Yeah, it's camera ready.
I don't know if you guys can see right, but see what you can see. Here's our new axle. Real pretty. These are a little thicker than the old one, which doesn't really concern me. We got enough threads for that. But I'm thinking these aftermarket ones are probably a little better than the stock ones.
That sounds good. Good to know.
There she be. All right. Stick your head in there, camera. See? It's in there. And this will just switch, pop right in there. That's why we can pull this ear back. We'll pop that in once we get that tightened back down. So I'll show you guys in a minute. If you can't figure this part out, don't work on your Audi. Okay, so we went ahead and finger tightened those ones. Just slowly turned it around in a circle like so. Put them all in finger tight. And then, like I said, this just slips in. See how that popped in? Just slide it in there. Pull this back while you do it. And then you can push it back over. And then you're in. Rinse and repeat, guys, from here. Put these back on. Tighten them down. Put your through bolt. This is 140 pounds of torque is what the book says. I don't believe that. We're going to recheck it on the internet. It was pretty tight getting them loose though, so it might be right. I don't know. Check your specs before you do this. All right, the axles are in. I'm going to let it pump back up. Take it for a test drive. Yeah, keep holding it till it turns off. There it is. It's flashing on the dash again.
Yeah, now it's going up.
There you go. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, like and sub, do all those great things. If you didn't like it, haha.